In this video, I will share with you top 5 best 3D printers review 2024. So, let's start. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer Sprite. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer is a true gem in the world of 3D printing, featuring the Sprite direct extrusion system for faster, more efficient printing at speeds of up to 250 mm per second. With a dual Z-axis design and quick assembly in just 10 minutes, it boasts an IU display, CR touch, and auto-leveling in a mere 8 minutes. Filament loading is a breeze in just 2 minutes, thanks to the user-friendly design. Achieve high precision with a nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm and a printing speed of 180 mm per second. The 350W power supply ensures consistent performance, and the 32-bit silent mainboard delivers a seamless printing experience. Number 2. PI Large High-Speed Color 3D Printer. Experience the Twotrees FDM 3D Printer SP5 V3, a cutting-edge CoreXY FDM printer that's designed for high-speed and high-quality printing. With a hotbed featuring PI and a large build volume, it can handle a wide range of materials including PA, PC, and PLA. This printer offers precise printing with a slice thickness range of 0.1 to 0.4 mm and an impressive printing speed of 350 mm per second. The 350W power supply ensures consistent performance, and it's compatible with both 220V and 110V power sources. With a nozzle temperature of 260 degrees Celsius and a heated bed at 100 degrees Celsius, this printer can handle various filament types. Number 3. Adventurer 5M Pro High-Speed Smart 3D Printer. Introducing the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro, a high-speed and smart 3D printer that redefines your printing experience. With a remarkable CoreXY structure, it achieves swift 600 mm per second printing, accompanied by automatic shutdown for convenience. Its versatility shines through with slice thickness options ranging from 0.1 mm to 0.4 mm and a printing speed of 300 mm per second. The powerful 350W power supply fuels this dynamic machine, ensuring consistent 600 mm per second maximum printing and working speeds. Compatible with Win 7/8/10/11, it offers a broad operating system range. This printer's precision stands at an impressive plus or minus 0.2 mm. Number 4. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Speedy 3D Printer. Meet the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Speedy 3D Printer, a cutting-edge innovation in 3D printing. This printer boasts a remarkable 600 mm per second high-speed printing capability, thanks to its CoreXY structure and direct extruder. Equipped with a nozzle delivering a flow of 32 mm superscript 3/S and rapid 50W heating power, it heats up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds. Offering nozzle diameters of 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, and 0.8 mm, it's suitable for both high-precision and high-efficiency modes. With a slice thickness range of 0.1 to 0.4 mm and an impressive 300 mm per second printing speed. Number 5. Creality K1 Speedy 3D Printer 600 mm per second. Introducing the Creality K1 Speedy 3D Printer, a powerhouse of fused deposition modeling (FDM) technology. With a generous build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm and precise printing accuracy of 100 plus or minus 0.1 mm, this printer ensures high-quality results. The dual-gear direct drive extruder and a 32mm Superscript 3/S Max Flow Hotend guarantee rapid, reliable extrusion. Boasting speeds of up to 600 mm per second and accelerations of less than or equal to 20,000 mm/s Superscript 2, the K1 Speedy is engineered for efficiency. Its versatile nozzle, compatible with 0.4/0.6/0.8 mm diameters, caters to various projects. Thanks for watching.